Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS for recording games without lag. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open a configuration window where you can optimize OBS for smooth game recording. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Output. This is where you'll configure how OBS handles your recordings. Once you're in the Output section, navigate to Output mode and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From the list, select Advanced. This mode gives you much more control over your recording settings and allows you to fine-tune performance for your specific hardware. Next, look for bitrate and set it to 20,000 to 50,000 kbps. This higher bitrate ensures your recordings maintain excellent quality without compression artifacts, which is especially important for fast-paced gaming footage where lots of action is happening on screen. Now, click the Recording tab at the top of this section. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. This is a crucial step because choosing the right encoder determines whether your CPU or GPU handles the recording workload. Select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1 if you're using an NVIDIA GPU. Select AMD HWH.264/AVC if you're using an AMD GPU. Select QuickSync H.264 if you're using an Intel GPU. Make sure to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles while gaming, as this encoder relies entirely on your processor and can cause significant performance drops during gameplay. Moving on, in the left sidebar, click on Video. Look for base canvas resolution and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select your monitor resolution. Below it, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your monitor resolution according to your monitor specs. This ensures your recordings match your display perfectly without any scaling issues that could introduce blur or performance problems. Navigate to Common FPS values and you'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click it and select 60 FPS. This frame rate provides smooth, fluid gameplay footage that looks professional and captures all the action without stuttering. In the bottom right, click Apply to save all your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. Give OBS a moment to apply these new configurations. Now, in the bottom left, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Game Capture. A new window will pop up asking you to name your source. Enter your source name and click OK. Navigate to Mode and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select Capture Specific Window. This option is more efficient than capturing your entire display. Navigate to Window, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and select your specific game from the list. Once you've selected your game, click OK. Game capture usually uses fewer resources than display capture, which means less strain on your system and smoother gameplay while recording. And that's it. You've now optimized OBS for lag-free game recording with the best settings for your hardware. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.